Vietnam in April. It's a dream. Sunsets that look straight out of a movie, street food that dances on your tongue, and humidity that attacks your skin and hair like on a boss level. But there's a trick. Your skin and hair, they go through a lot of workout. Glowing one day, frizzy and sweaty the next. So before you people pack that suitcase and hop on the plane, let's talk survival. Not just sunscreen and shampoo, I mean a genuine beauty kit that will save you from heat, sweat, pollution, frizz and all. So I have made you a beauty survival kit to keep you looking fresh, frizz-free and dewy all trip long, and enjoy the way you want to enjoy the trip. Step 1. The cleanser you can't miss. Innisfree Green Tea Hydrating Foam Cleanser. It's lightweight, foamy and packed with Jeju green tea. It's perfect for clearing sweat and city grime after a long day of exploring. And it doesn't dry you out, just fresh, happy skin. Step 2. The mist that feels like heaven. Forest Essentials Facial Tonic Mist. Post-sun, post-beach, post-scooter ride. One spritz and your skin feels alive again. It cools you down and makes you look instantly dewy in no time. Step 3. The Glow Serum. Deconstruct 10% Vitamin C Serum. Sun in April is really very intense. But this little bottle fights off tanning, dullness and dark spots. Plus it's gentle. No sting, no irritation, just glow. Step 4. Moisturizer that doesn't feel sticky. Dot & Key 72 Hour Hydrating Gel in Vietnam's humidity heavy creams is equals to disaster. This one's gel-based, super hydrating with hyaluronic acid and gives you that bouncy skin vibe without feeling greasy. Step 5. Here comes the real hero, that is your sunscreen. Go with minimalist SPF 50 PA+, broad spectrum, no white cast, sweat proof. UV rays in April are of no joke. This one has UV filters and literally stays put even if you're melting in the sun. Bonus. Clay Mask Detox. Innisfree Super Volcanic Clay Mask. Use it every 3 days to clear out your clogged pores, sweat buildup and pollution. Think of it like a spa day in your hotel room. Now let's talk about the cures, that is frizz. The moment you step out, your hair puffs up like a cotton candy. But you can be saved by using frizz-fighting shampoo plus mask combo. Go with Bare Anatomy Anti-Frizz Kit. This duo keeps your hair smooth, soft and under control. Humidity has nothing on it. It's perfect for the Vietnam trip. Next, the magic leave-in conditioner. Go with Bare Anatomy leave-in conditioner. This is your dense shield against sticky hair. With Hydra Fuse Tech, it seals moisture, tames flyaways and keeps hair selfie ready. Step 8. The hair saver on lazy days. Appetite Dry Shampoo. Let's be real, you won't want to wash your hair daily on vacation. But this dry shampoo refreshes your roots and keeps your scalp healthy between washes. So there you have it, ride or die beauty essentials that will survive Vietnam's crazy heat, humidity and hustle. They will keep you fresh, glowing and frizz-free. Pack smart, glow hard, and remember, when your skin feels good, your whole trip hits different. If you're watching this video on Instagram, check out our product link in bio, and on YouTube, check the description box. And do not forget to save this checklist and thank me later for this. But wait, also subscribe to Time Shopping Guide, as it's your guide to smarter shopping.